take you to Delhi NCR and neighbor states. Remember the very significant, tough pilgrimage of Kawad Yatra that's presently on. There have been routes decided for that. But what you see on the screen are also escalating tensions, despite the arrangements, despite the police on the job in UP and Haryana, even in Rajasthan. There have been violent incidents that have been reported during the Kawad Yatra. Several of these young men who are calling themselves Kawadias have created what are being called as clashes, scuffles and much worse. A few incidents of violence have been reported. The Yatra, meanwhile, has been conducted peaceful largely in parts of the country. But here's what has happened. Muzaffarnagar, for example, on July 24th, witnessed the assault of a shopkeeper. In Roorkee, an e-rickshaw, a poor man's e-rickshaw, was being smashed for some reason. Most of the reasons here are that if they have hit any of these so-called devotees, and that is when they react in violence. The violence continued then on 26th July in Meerut. 4 people were thrashed in total. Situation intensified, further clashes again on Meerut on 29 July. Also, there were reports even from NCR region, Ghaziabad, Muradnagar. Cars were being targeted and smashed where the drivers or those people who were the owners of the vehicles managed to flee in time. Remember, the cops also find the situation sensitive. For example, in Haryana, a school bus was attacked. This is absolutely unacceptable. Now, these, remember, because we have seen Kawadias on the route, they are constantly moving. They have the Ganga Jal with them. It's a very serious, tough pilgrimage. Are some of these young men resorting to violence, not giving a bad name to such an important yatra? And what about, I ask, the Uttar Pradesh or Haryana police, despite arrangements, why are these tensions escalating?